Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and if you are a user of Firefox, there is now a new version of Firefox. Firefox 118 is released today, September the 26th, and you can go to Firefox, go in the upper right corner in the hamburger menu, Help, About Firefox, and you will be moved to 118.0. So what's new in here? Well, one of the things that is interesting is the translations. If you go to a website that is in a different language, for example, if I go to my news website in French here, like this, and I want to have a translation done, an icon appears in here on the upper right corner in the address bar, and you can actually translate the articles and the things that you have. So you click there, it says okay, from French to English, we translate. Wait a few seconds. The interesting part of the translation in Firefox compared to all of the other browsers is that in Edge, in Chrome, if you translate, the article or the text goes to a server online for translation and comes back. Firefox does say that for privacy concern, translation is done within the computer itself. So it's never sent, or it's not sent to another location or any servers on the internet for translation. So if you're worried about privacy, I think that's a good thing. There's also video effects and black background blur that are available for those that use Google Meet on Firefox. And there's also some audio and features that will improve anonymity. Being more anonymous with fingerprint protection, and the fonts of the websites will be restricted to system fonts, and to mitigate the privacy effect of browsing on the web. There's some fixes, but mostly security fixes in here. So for the rest, so if you are not really interested in whatever feature there is in here, one of the things you might be interested is at least to have the security fixes for Firefox. So that's pretty much it. Firefox 118 is now available, and you can download it today. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.